Okay, guys, our baby always look to the left. So what I did, guys, yeah, I put some, you know, what do I call this? I put the stuffer in. She'll not be always looking to the right, right, Tara? You're always looking to the right. If I'm carrying you, if I'm carrying you around, you're always looking to your. Alright. Alright, so always looking to her. Right, guys. So I put this pillow. Supposed to be this back to both sides, but I decided to put all into her right side, so she's not going to uh, inhabit herself looking to his right side. So it will going to the head is going to be balanced, guys. Right. Daddy is sleeping. It's 5 a.m. I started taking care of baby around 12 midnight, before 12 midnight, and it's already 5 a.m. And I think our baby are now going to sleep, guys. It's very good. That is really genius, right? Oh, I thought you're already sleeping, Ara. I thought Daddy already thought that you're already sleeping. pang makapagdudaan sa daddy. Morning na morning. Morning gossip with baby Ara. Hmm? Morning gossip. Baby, ha? Ha? Kasi magtututbrush lang si daddy. Kasi badlet eh. Saka tayo magdaldaan ng Ara, ha? Wait lang. Wait lang, Ara. Ara, baby, wait lang. Oh. You're looking to your left side again, Ara. That is here. Okay? Yes. It's better. Okay. Okay, let's have a morning chat, Ara. Oh, you pretty sleepy, Ara, baby. You better sleep na. So daddy can sleep also. Come on. Let's sleep. Let's sleep, Ara. Mm. Let's sleep na. Daddy is sleepy already. Not able to sleep. Oh, daddy's head is itchy. Perhaps because of balakubak. Perhaps because of the dandruff. Because daddy only use shampoo once a week. It's not every day daddy using shampoo. Like you always use shampoo every day. Daddy's not using shampoo every day. Daddy uses only once a week or twice a week. Daddy's very thrifty. Okay? Are you like daddy? Daddy's thrifty. Alright. Ay. Oh, oh. Early morning gossip with baby Ara. Hi. Say hi to them. Come on, baby. Come on. Say hi to them. Come on, baby Ara. Say hi to them. Hello, guys. May talkative daddy is here. Come on. Oh. 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 Early morning. Early morning gossip with our baby Ara. Yes. Yeah, guys, our baby Ara is gossiping with his talkative daddy. Okay. Ah, ah. Saying, oh, 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 oh. Dude, antok na si daddy, antok na si daddy. Sinig na si daddy. Antok na si daddy. Sinig na tayo? Ara. Ara. You're always looking to your left side, Ara. That's it, that's better. Okay. Ara. Yes. Let's sit down. Huh? Ah. Baby, sleeping, guys. No? No? Ah! 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 Our baby are sounding, guys. Look, 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 baby are. Ah, 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 ah. What's the Ara? I think Ara don't like to be carried, Ara. Don't like to be carried. You prefer lying down, Ara? Daddy really fell asleep. Daddy sleepy, Leah, Anna. Morning gossip with our baby Ara, guys. Hello, say hi. Come on, say hi to them, Ara. Hi. I am with my old talkative daddy here. Say hi to them, come on. Hi, hello. How are you, Philippines? How are you, crocodiles in the Philippines? Hi, okay. Maybe we're going to take this opportunity to ask for for money to buy for your milk and diaper. Do you crocodile out there? Perhaps you can share some of the some of the some of the money that you corrupted from the government. He's saying yes, please give me money, please, just for my milk, diaper, and other baby essential, please. Because my mom and dad is not yet working, and I'm already 2 months and how many hours? 10, 7, 8, 9, 13, 31. 2 months and 5 years old. Almost 2 months and 1 week. Yeah. Don't. Crocs, please give some of your, you know. By the way, our baby Anna don't like money from corruption. I think money that is, reasonably earned, right, Ara? You don't like money from corruption, but daddy, it's okay for daddy. Wherever the money came from. Your talkative dad is really quite stupid. No, not stupid. You're just saying the truth. Yeah, we're talking with our baby Ara, guys. Talking with our baby Ara. Ano yun, Ara? I think we better go live. Oh yes, she said yes. So there might be somebody there who's going to give some cash because guys, sometimes we're doing live. There are those who sends cash gift, right, Ara? To Mom Janet Harrison, Mom Dreambread, yeah. Baby right now is very talkative, so we better go live, guys. Guys, see you to our live streaming, guys. Okay. Ay.